Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're talking about 9 foods that can help prevent colon polyps and colon cancer. Colon cancer, also called colorectal cancer, bowel cancer, or rectal cancer, is the third most common type of cancer for both men and women. Colorectal cancer begins when lumps or growths form in the lining of the colon or the end part of the large intestine, called the rectum. If these growths aren't taken out soon, they can turn into cancer and spread to other body parts. But here's the good news. Colon cancer can be treated and cured, especially if it's found early. Almost everyone beats bowel cancer when it's caught at its earliest stage. To keep your colon healthy and lower your risk of tumors, it needs specific nutrients like omega-3 fats, vitamins, flavonoids, and phytochemicals. Eating enough fiber is also important because it helps your bowels move regularly and stops too much bacteria from building up. By making smart food choices, you can decrease your chances of getting colon polyps and bowel cancer. Certain research shows that if you eat well, exercise, stay at a healthy weight, and don't drink too much alcohol, you might lower your chances of getting a disease by more than a third. In today's video, we're going to talk about 9 foods that could help prevent colon polyps and colorectal cancer. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any tips to lower your risk of getting colorectal cancer and to boost your overall health. Let's talk about number 1 on our list, chia seeds. Chia seeds are tiny seeds that come from Mexico and Guatemala. They're packed with good stuff like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are really good for your health, especially your colon. These little seeds can make a big difference. One of their superpowers is fiber. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds can give you a lot of fiber, almost half of what you need in a day. Fiber helps your digestive system by keeping things moving smoothly in your colon and getting rid of bad stuff like cholesterol. Plus, the nutrients in fiber might even help protect your colon from diseases. Chia seeds are also full of omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in your colon, stop cancer cells from growing, and even make colon cancer cells die off. They're also high in protein, which is great news for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone trying to eat less meat. The best part, chia seeds are really easy to eat. They don't have much taste, so you can add them to lots of different foods. You can eat them raw, soak them in water or other liquids, or add them to things like oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods. You can even sprinkle them on top of cereal, yogurt, or veggies. And if you're making homemade fritters, they're great for helping everything stick together. Number 2, walnuts. Walnuts are special because they're one of the few nuts that have omega-3 fats, which are really good for reducing inflammation in your body. They're especially great for fighting colon cancer. Besides that, walnuts are packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, all of which can help keep you healthy, especially your colon. Walnuts are also loaded with antioxidants, which are substances that help your body fight off damage caused by harmful molecules. They have lots of polyunsaturated fatty acids, which are good for you, and they have a special type of vitamin E that can help fight cancer. Many studies have found that eating walnuts might lower your risk of getting colon cancer. Plus, they can help keep your colon healthy by acting like a probiotic, which is something that helps your gut stay healthy and can protect against colon cancer. There are lots of tasty ways to eat walnuts. You can sprinkle them on top of oatmeal or other cereals, mix them into pancakes or muffins, add them to salads or veggies, or just enjoy them as a snack all on their own. So don't forget to include walnuts in your diet for a healthy colon and overall health. Number 3, beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are super good for your tummy and can help keep your gut healthy. They're packed with fiber, which helps you poop regularly, stops constipation, and keeps your colon nice and clean. Eating fiber also lowers the chance of getting colon polyps and cancer because it helps your body get rid of waste faster, so the colon doesn't spend too much time with stuff that could cause cancer. Plus, beans and lentils have special stuff like polyphenol and flavonoids that stop tumors from growing and fight inflammation and stress that can lead to cancer. They're also full of protein and important vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, zinc, and manganese. And they don't mess with your blood sugar levels because they have a low glycemic index. That means they're great for vegetarians, vegans, diabetics, and anyone who wants to eat less meat. But there's one thing to watch out for. Beans have something called lectins, which can cause inflammation in your body. Soaking them in water before cooking gets rid of most of the lectins. Just soak them for a few hours and the lectins will wash away. You can add beans and lentils to your meals in lots of ways. Toss them in salads, soups, stews, or stir-fries. They're also awesome meat substitutes, or for making dips like hummus. And roasted chickpeas and lentils make a yummy and healthy snack. Number 4, fish. Eating fish regularly can lower your chances of getting colorectal cancer. Studies show that people who had colorectal cancer and started eating more omega-3 from fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and trout had a lower risk of dying compared to those who didn't eat fish. This might be because omega-3 fatty acids in fish can stop cancer cells from growing and even make colon cancer cells die. Another study found that women who ate fish 3 times a week reduced their risk of getting colon polyps by about 33%. While some studies have looked into how eating fish affects the risk of getting colorectal cancer, more research is needed. But adding fatty fish to your diet is always a good idea for staying healthy. Number 5, sauerkraut. It's basically fermented cabbage and is packed with vitamins and minerals that our bodies need. It has vitamin C, vitamin K1, copper, potassium, iron, and manganese. Just 1 cup of sauerkraut has a huge 700 milligrams of vitamin C, way more than what you need each day. Cancer often likes to grow in areas of our body where there's inflammation and swelling. But the vitamin C in sauerkraut helps calm down inflammation in your gut and gets rid of harmful stuff in your blood, which lowers the risk of cancer. Plus, sauerkraut has lots of fiber, which helps keep your gut healthy and your poop soft, making it easier for your colon to stay clean. Since sauerkraut is fermented, it's full of prebiotics and probiotics, which help your body absorb vitamins and minerals better, feed the cells in your colon, and stop things like polyps and tumors from growing. The cabbage in sauerkraut also has something called sulforaphane, which helps prevent cell damage and stops cells from growing out of control, which can lead to cancer, especially colorectal cancer. Eating sauerkraut 3 times a week is a good idea, but remember, it can be high in sodium. So if you're trying to cut back on salt, be mindful of how much you eat. There are other fermented foods you can try too, like plain Greek yogurt, kimchi, miso, and kefir. Number 6, vegetables. Most veggies are great for your health because they have fiber, vitamins, minerals, and special plant chemicals that can stop cancer cells from growing or fight inflammation, which can make cancer worse. But eating too many starchy veggies like potatoes, squash, turnips, corn, and peas might up your chances of getting type 2 diabetes. That's a big deal because it's not only bad for your health, but it can also raise your risk of colon cancer. So it's better to focus on non-starchy veggies like broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, celery, cucumbers, kale, lettuce, and spinach. These veggies can lower your risk of getting colon polyps and colon cancer. The green leafy ones like kale, spinach, lettuce, and collard greens are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other plant stuff that fight damage to your cells caused by free radicals. And veggies like broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts are loaded with fiber and a special chemical called glucosinolates, which can protect your cells from harm, including the kind that can lead to cancer. So try to eat at least 3 to 5 servings of non-starchy veggies every day to keep your colon healthy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy.